So we're going to make some pasta today with some fresh tomatoes and any selection of vegetables that you like. This is beautiful, really easy to make, little spice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So before we look at the vegetables, let's take a look at our pasta. I've got 4 cups of penne cooked here. You can be using any pasta you want, spaghetti, tagliatelle, farfalle, up to you. Get that prepared because we're going to concentrate really just on the sauce. Okay. So I've got 3 tomatoes there. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato, and then we've got about a cup each of the veg. So I'm using celery, green beans, bell peppers, carrots, zucchini, eggplant. You're going to need a cup of onions, a tablespoon of garlic, fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. I mean, that's quite a lot, but I like things spicy. And then 2 teaspoons of chili powder and oregano. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a skillet, a pan, a pot, whatever. In there I've got some oil. I'm using olive oil for this. I've got about 3 tablespoons. The heat's on above medium. We're going to start off by dropping in the 1 cup of onion, and then we're going to add some hard vegetables. So my celery is going to go in now, my carrot, my green beans. Depends on the selection that you're using, but yeah, get your nice hardest vegetables in first. 1 tablespoon of garlic, a nice big pinch for me of black pepper, the same with salt, and we're going to go for 4 minutes just throwing this around in the pan. Fabulous, giving those vegetables a nice head start. Let's now drop in our eggplant. Give that a little mix. And of course, any selection of vegetables that you want will work. I'm just going with this lot. We're then going to add the fresh tomatoes, 3 regular size tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe juicy one. To that I'm going to add fresh chili, which is completely optional. Then we're going to go with 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 of dried oregano. And we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes now. What we want is those tomatoes to cook down a little bit. If you've used a juicy tomato, a nice ripe one, it will give off some liquid. If not, we can add a bit of water or something. I'll see you in about 4 or 5. Now I've done quite well here with my tomatoes. You see they've got a bit of moisture there, which I'm happy with. If you didn't get any, it's because your tomatoes weren't very ripe, and you can just add a bit of water. Let's go in with our final vegetables, which is our zucchini and our bell peppers. Now I like a bit of crunch on these, so I'm just going to go just for 3 minutes now, and then it's time to add our pasta to that. Really simple, really beautiful. So the amount of moisture is entirely up to you. Like I say, you could just put some water in there or some vegetable stock maybe. Right, our pasta, in it goes. Like I say, I'm using this penne. You could use anything you want. Let's just go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in the pasta in. The pasta's cold, you see. Cooked it a little bit earlier. So we want to get some heat through that and get some of this lovely sauce in, on and around. Beautiful stuff. See you at the table. Okay, there you go. Really, really simple, nice and fresh. Like I say, use any vegetables that you like. Nice bit of spice to it. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.